Yes, sir. This is my sister, sir.
Yeah, fine. So you were discussing about right and left outer join, and I think I was asking this question if I'm using right join here. So now we are getting this output, right? So here I have mentioned right join. So guys, please don't look at the sequence of table. Okay, just look at this right join. Okay, right join means after this which table I have mentioned, student. So you
Yes.
will get all the records from the student table, whether it is matching or not matching. So in a student table, I have ID 6, and that is why you can see ID 6 is also displayed here. Okay. Now, why
Yes.
the ID and roll number is blank here? Because this ID and roll number we are fetching from a static table. And in this static table, we don't have the ID 6. If you see in the static table, we don't have the ID 6. And that is
Yes.
why it is not visible displayed here. Is this clear concept?
Yeah. Clear.
Clear, sir.
Everyone, Akshay, Shivanshu, I know Sandeep knows this. This is
Yeah.
clear,
Clear.
right?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, perfect, very good. Now the thing is, this is about left and right outer join. Now the thing is that okay, guys, not speaking, please go on mute. So now here you can see that we're getting ID 6, okay. But suppose someone told me that no, I want this missing roll number as well. I want this as well. You can see this roll number A7 is missing here, no? Can you see it is present here? No, it is missing, okay.
I'm missing.
So now the requirement is that I want ID which is present in student table but not present in static table, and that roll number which is present in static and not present in student. It means I want all the data from both the tables, whether it is matching or not matching.
Not matching.
Okay. So now for that you have to use full outer join. Okay, I will show you what is this full outer join. Full outer join. Okay. Now I'm running this. Just look at the output and you will understand what this is all about. Now, just a minute. Do one thing. Sort this out in a better way. By a dot id. Now, if I will show you this. Now you can see this 6F is coming from which table? A student table. Why these two are blank?
Student.
Because this 6 is not present in a static table.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
We can hear you.
Now you will.
I guess he can't hear us.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Bad service, real में.
No, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
ऐसा क्या? अच्छा तुम भी यूज करते होगे?
Hello.
हाँ सर, you are audible.
Yeah. You're audible.
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello.
Can you hear us?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes. Sir.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now you can see that the ID 6 is present here and name F, right? Similarly, here ID 7 and roll number A7 is present. Now we are getting both the information from a static table as well as a student table.
Student table. Yeah. Clear.
Okay. So this is
Yeah.
the use of full outer join. If you're using full outer join, as the name indicates, full outer, it means first of all, fetch me the joining records. So if you see here, from 1 till 5, these are the joining records or the matching records which is present in both the table. Okay, is this clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now after this, it will search for the record which is present in a static but not present in a student table. So you can see here this ID 7 is present in a static but not present in student. Similarly,
Student.
after that, the record which is present in a student table but not present in a static table. So you can see 6F. This was present in a student table but not present in a static table. Is this clear? Full outer
Yes.
join?
Yeah.
Clear. Sir.
Clear.
Any question, anyone?
Clear. No.
So
No.
that is what I told you. If you understand the inner join, all the other joins, left join, right outer join, and full outer join, they're very simple. And as the name indicates, Left outer join means you are getting, you are fetching the data from the left table. Okay, whether it is matching or not. Okay. Right outer join means you want the data from the right table, whether it is matching or not. You want all the data. Okay. Is this clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. If it is clear, I am showing you. Okay. Now, suppose this is student table. I have ID. I have name. Okay. And this is marks table. And here I have ID. This is a score. Okay. ID is 1, 2, 3. Name is A, B, and C. Fine. Here is ID is 2, 3, 4. The score is 10, 30, and 40. Okay. I'm writing a query, and you guys have to tell me what should be the output of this. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
A.id, comma, A dot name.
I have one query.
Yeah. No, tell me.
In case we are not having the same IDs, means in one table we have the ID column, and in the other table we are not having the ID
Okay.
column.
Got it.
So
Got it.
so,
Good
so
question.
in that case we will use the generic table that is shown.
I will show you that example as well, but very good question. I will show you that example. I will show you example with Shivanshu. I will show you with the example. Okay. So I have joined student and marks table. Okay, and this is the joining condition. So first of all, tell me what will be the output for this query. Come on.
B10, 3B30.
B10. Tell me the full. Okay, ID is 2, right? Name is B. Score is here. ID will be 2, and it will be 10. Any other thing?
10. 3. 3C.
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 I am on mute. Yeah, 3C. 3,
3.
30.
30.
30.
Yes, that's
Okay.
it. Yeah, 2 records.
Okay. Only
Yeah.
2 records will be fetched. Okay.
Yeah.
Why
This is
only
inner
you
join.
have fetched the ID 2 and 3, but here ID 1 is you have not
Yeah.
told me. ID 4 you have not told me. Why?
This is inner join.
We don't have.
We have to fetch only the matching records between the
Oh, okay,
two.
okay. This is the inner join.
Okay,
Okay,
fetch
so
the-
you
Yeah.
want that matching records only. So
Yeah.
ID
Yes.
this ID 2 is matching with this ID 2, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
and this ID 3 is matching
Yes.
with this ID 3, and that is why you told me that okay, Tanvir, this ID is matching. I will give you this data, and for this 3 ID it is matching. I will give you this data. But
Yes.
for one, there is no matching in marks table. So that is why you
Yes.
told me that we cannot give you data for the ID 1, right? This is the
One.
reason.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
and that is why you have
Yes, yes.
discarded, rejected this ID. But what about ID 4? Why you have not shown me ID 4 here?
4 is not presented in the student table.
Oh, okay, okay. 4 ID is not present in the student table, so that is why it is not matching. You have not given me this data. Okay,
Yes.
is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes,
Yeah,
I have
clear.
one question.
Okay, yeah, Shivanshu, tell me.
Instead of Joan, if we'll use full outer Joan, then
I will
will
come.
you
I will.
see
I will. I
1
will
and 4
show.
also.
I will show all the scenarios. I will show all the scenarios. Okay, 1 minute. I will show all the things. Now the second query is from the student left. Okay. Now this is the query, guys. I have changed the query. I have written from a student left join. So first of all, tell me what is the meaning of this left join?
Student is the left table. Marks is the right table.
Student table.
Okay. So what this left keyword will do? Whatever magic this will do?
You will
I want
fetch
all
the
the
records
data
from the left table.
student
Table. How many? Doesn't
Okay. It will
zero.
fetch
We
all
want
the
all the
records
data.
from the left table. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Student
As
table.
well as the matching record from the right.
Okay. Fine. So if I will, okay. Can you help me with the output? What the output for this?
It's 1A,
1A.
A.
1 A null.
null,
Null.
1A.
Oh,
Null.
Yeah.
null.
Yeah.
Okay. Null.
Yeah.
Then
Null.
null. Okay. Then
Yeah.
2B,
2B.
210,
2B.
2B.
210.
210.
210. Okay. Then
210.
3C. 330.
3C.
330.
330.
330.
Okay. Then
That's it.
That's it.
okay. Okay. So let me verify. 1A. Okay. One minute here. 1 minute. Let me take it here, and we can discuss this further. 1 minute. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Fine. So 1A null. Why you have written null here? What is the reason for this null records?
One is
present
not
in the
there
right
in the
table.
marks table.
Yeah.
Okay. You are telling that this ID 1 is present in the student table, but this is missing in the marks table. That
Yes,
is
yes,
why you have given me this ID 1 and A. Okay.
yes,
But it is not present in marks table. That is why you have given null here. This is the
yes,
reason.
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
But in this query, you have not given me this ID 1. What is the reason?
Because it is
The
inner
inner
join.
Because
join.
it is a inner join.
Okay. So what? Inner join. So what? What is the use of inner
It's
join?
Inner join means
Only
only
fetch
matching.
the matching
So
records.
Oh,
only
okay.
common
Got it. Oh, okay. Only matching records will be fetched.
matching
So
records
this
only.
ID 1 is not present here. That is why this was not fetched. But here you
Yeah.
have mentioned that left. It means you
Left.
want
Left
everything
join.
from a student table. Correct?
Yeah,
And that is
yes.
why
Yeah.
you have given me this record. Okay. I got it now. Fine. Perfect. Okay. Fine. But here this ID 4 is missing. ID 4 is missing here. Why it is missing? ID 4?
I want
Student
only
table.
all the data from student table, not from marks table, apart from matching.
Okay. Okay, so that is why this ID 4 is missing here, right?
Mm.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, very good. I think you guys have understood this. Okay, perfect. Now, next question. Next question. Please listen carefully. Right, join. Take here. Right, join. Okay, so now I am writing this query from marks B, right, join student. Okay. Now, can you please help me with the output of this query? What will the output?
Yeah, same as previous query. Same as previous.
Same as previous query.
Okay, so output of this will be same as this, right?
Not this
No,
one. This one.
not this one.
Right join. Yeah,
This
yeah.
one.
This
Yeah,
one.
this one.
Okay, so this will be same. Okay, but
Yes.
these queries are different, no? Here I've used left
Yeah,
join,
yeah.
here I've used right join. So how it will be same?
Your table is changing. Table is swapping.
Table is
Here
Oh,
we are
okay.
writing
I
board
have
and
swapped the table. Okay,
Yeah.
right join means I want all the data from the right
on the
table.
right.
student
Correct?
table.
Okay,
Yes.
I got it now. Okay. Is that okay? So here right join means I want all the data from this right table. Correct?
Yes,
That is
yeah.
what you are telling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it now. And where is that left join? Yeah, okay. Left join means you want all the data from this, right?
Yes.
Fine,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
I think you guys understood now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now next query. No, sorry. Let's practice some more queries, and that will be more. Who's join? 100 marks. Okay, now I want full join. I've written full join. Can you please help me with the output?
Yeah. 1A.
1,
1A.
1A,
Null.
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 okay. Sorry,
Yeah.
null, okay. Then
Yeah. 2B.
2B.
2B,
210.
210, okay. Very good. Then
3C.
3C,
330.
330.
330, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Null.
Then
Null.
null,
Null. 4.
4.
40.
40.
40, okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. This is the output. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Then Tanvir, full outer, no? Full outer join.
I will tell you that one. First of all, is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
So guys, hope you understood the concept of inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now, see, if you want, you can write here left outer, okay, full outer, but that is not mandatory. That is your wish. You see here, I've written full outer join, okay. You got this output. Okay.
So
Here I've used,
in every DB it will accept outer.
yeah, good question. I'm not sure, but okay,
Okay.
that is fine. On a better side, you write outer, but I remember that even if you're not writing, no, I think that should work. Okay, it is working, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it is fine. Make it a habit. If you want to make it a habit, because I'm not sure in any other DB database it will accept or not. So make it a habit of writing full outer, write outer. But
Okay.
Oracle DB I have worked here, it works. Okay.
Okay.
In my last project, I was working on Oracle DB. I have noticed that it works there. Shivanshu is working on Microsoft SQL Server. So Shivanshu, you can confirm if it is working there. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Anyway,
I'm using Workbench.
Okay, so anyway, you can check all these things. That's not a big deal, but you should be clear about the logic, that how the logic is working. Is that clear? Inner
Yes, sir.
join, left outer
Yeah.
join, right outer join, full outer join. Hope this is clear. Any question, guys? I'm repeating. Any question? Please tell me.
Clear.
Clear. Okay. Perfect. 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 Now, yeah, Shivanshu, you were asking some question at the very beginning. Can you repeat that?
Yeah, if we don't have ID column in other table, so how we will join them?
Okay. So if you're trying to join two tables and if you don't have any matching column, suppose take the example of a student and marks. Do you have any matching column in the student and marks table?
No.
No. So you see, if you want to join two tables, the very first condition is they must be having some matching column. They must be having some
Hmm.
matching
Matching
column.
column.
Matching
Let me
column.
show you one example. Let me show you one example. Okay. Let me show you one example. I'm writing a query. Okay. And look at that query very carefully and tell me where I'm doing a mistake.
Okay.
Okay. If I will run this query, what will happen?
Yeah, you are not mentioning any joining condition from
Okay. So what
student
will
and
happen?
static table. I think syntax error.
Okay. What about others?
Syntax error.
What about others? Shivanshu, Akshay, Imran, what do you think? This will throw error?
Can you wait? Let me think. Let me analyze.
Okay.
Hmm.
I'm running this. I'm running this.
Okay, okay.
Missing keyword. Okay.
Yes.
This is showing missing keyword. Okay. 1 minute.
Yeah, now it will run.
Now it is running. Correct.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't look
Yes.
at the output. We will discuss what the output is. Don't look at the output. If you see these two queries, here I have mentioned I want to join a student with a static. So if you are telling that you want to join two tables, you have to mention a joining condition. If you don't
Yes.
have any joining condition, this will throw an error message.
Error.
That is what I have shown you with the help of this query. And I hope this is clear. I'm running this again. You can see
Yes.
missing keyword. Why? Because you have not mentioned the joining condition. That is why if you are joining two tables and if you have not mentioned the joining condition, this will throw an error message. Is this clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah.
Everyone, Shivanshu,
Yeah.
is this clear?
Yes. Clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now, second query. In the second query, again, I have used two tables. But when I'm running this, I'm not getting any error message. Okay. Why?
Yes.
Because I have not mentioned here join. I've just used comma here. Okay. So try to understand this, what is happening here. Okay. Now, if you see the result set, okay, if you look at the result set, so what is happening here, or else leave that one, leave that one. Create table.
I didn't understand the comma use.
I have not told anything about that. Wait. Name. Cat 210. I'm trying to show you that with the help of an example. Okay, I have created two tables. One is shop table, another is manager table. Okay, I'm writing a query. Select a.id, comma a dot name, comma b dot id, comma b dot name. Okay, from shop, comma manager. I am running this query, and tell me whether I will get any error or what will happen. Don't think about the output. Tell me error message will be there or not. Yes or no?
No.
No.
No error message. Why? I have not mentioned any joining condition.
Yes, sir, you're not mentioning any joining condition.
So this should throw an
No,
error
you're not
message.
using join keyword. You're not using any
Okay.
join keyword.
I have not used any join keyword, so this will not
Yeah.
throw an error message. Okay,
Yes,
this
yes.
is fine. So if you're using join keyword, you have to use a joining
Condition.
condition. Now
Yes.
let's concentrate on this output. I'm leaving this platform to you guys. So tell me what is happening here about the output.
It will cross joining one record.
Mhm.
Yeah, it will take one record from the shop table, one ABC store.
Who will tell me apart from Sandeep, anyone else, what is happening here?
The query is running on the
I
condition,
can
which is
The still query is running.
I can tell.
Yeah. Shivanshu, tell me what is happening.
Like in this table,
Mhm.
you have joined with shop, that is ID and name.
Mhm.
Okay, and from the other table, you have joined uh, other table with ID and name, but you have not mentioned any conditions, so
Correct.
it is
Correct.
showing ID, uh, ID and name. I'm getting confused.
No problem. Think about this. Look at the output and then think.
Okay.
Akshay, Imran, everyone, please think what is happening here.
Hmm.
Anyone?
And it is joining both the same IDs and name. If data is present or not.
Correct. Okay, very good. Good approach. Very good, Imran. Let me explain this to you. Okay. Please listen carefully. This is the two table, manager and shop.
Sure.
Take the query. This is the query. First of all, have I used any joining condition? Yes or no?
No.
No. So
No.
guys, please remember, whenever you are using two tables, three tables, four tables, or any table, and if you have not mentioned any joining condition, I repeat, have you used any joining condition here?
No.
No.
Is this clear to everyone? Have you used any joining condition here?
No, sir.
No.
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 So
Yeah.
what will happen? SQL will not throw any error message because in the from condition you have not used join. First of all, this is the first scenario. If you have not used join and you have not mentioned any joining condition, SQL will not throw error message. If you would have used join here, what will happen in that case?
Definitely you have to mention on joining condition.
No. Just tell me, if you have used join and in this query, what will happen if I will run this query?
Error.
Error.
Throw an error.
Why?
We are
You're
not
not
using the
mentioning
keyword
condition.
on. Yeah,
We have
condition.
not used any on condition, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now, in this case, this will not throw an error message. The reason is, it is not taking it as a join. We used to tell this is a cross join. Okay, I will tell you why this is and all those things. Here, what is happening? The SQL is confused that okay, user is asking for data from this two table. User is asking table of data from shop and manager table. But on which key should I match? User has not mentioned any joining condition, right? No joining condition is there. So SQL will get confused, and what it will do, it will take this column from the shop table. It will take this column from this table, manager. Okay.
Yeah.
It will first of all take the first record from the shop table, it's 2 and big store. Okay. And then it will take this data from this manager. Okay, again this data is pending, so this will again come and we fetch here from the for the same two big store. So it is like what will happen for this big store. For this data, it will match with this. Okay, and then the same this one, it will match with this one as well, second one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so this single record will be matched with the two records of this manager table. Now similarly, it will take the next record, one ABC store. Okay, and then it will fetch this data from this table. Then again this one ABC store, it will match with the this data.
0, 1 and B.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now suppose in the same table I have one more record, 301C. Okay, so now what will be the output?
It will also include
Yeah.
301 and C. With
So
ID.
okay, let's take it fresh.
Yeah.
First of all, it will start from here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. It will do handshake with this record of the other table. Okay.
Not one, yeah.
Then again, this record will do handshake with this data.
301 and B.
Okay. Again,
Again.
this record do handshake with this third record.
Not one.
Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
clear.
And then it will take the next record, one ABC store. It will do a handshake with this.
Yes.
Correct.
And then again, this one ABC store. This will do a handshake with the next record, 201B. Again, this one ABC store. This will do a handshake with this 301C record.
The cross join also works this way only, no?
Sorry,
Suppose we are using
this
cross
is your
join.
cross join. This
Okay.
is
Only
your
cross
cross join.
Yeah.
This is your cross join. It is exactly like you went in a party and you are doing a handshake.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yes.
So if someone asks you that, okay, handshake is an example of which join? Cross join, inner join, outer join, left outer join. So what will the answer?
Cross join.
Cross join. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Now, if you all, I think you all have went to theater, right? So in theaters, you will see the seat number. It will be mentioned as A1, A2, like this. A1,
Yes.
A2,
Yeah.
A3, correct?
Yes. Yes.
And then B1, B2,
B3, B4,
B4. Then you have C1,
C2,
C3,
C4.
C4. Okay, now tell me, is this a cross join, left join, right outer join, or inner join?
Cross join. Cross join. Only. Yes. Yes. In one table, one is there. In another table, ABC. Like that.
Correct.
Cross join.
So think that in one table, the value is 1,
One. In another table, ABC. Like that.
4. And the other table you have data as A,
A, B, C, D.
B, C. Okay. So A is joining with 1, so A1 is there. A is joining with 2, A2 is there. A is joining with 3, A3 is there. A is joining with 4, A4 is there.
A4.
Okay. Similarly, B is joining with 1, B1, B2, B3, B4. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yeah, clear.
So guys, cross join, is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Any question? Any specific scenario? Okay, fine then. Fine then.
So whenever the situation will come, so we're going to use cross join or this this particular thing. Any
Yeah,
which way.
that depends. Oh no, okay. Oh, sorry. I confused you guys. See, this is nothing but cross join only.
Acha.
This is cross join. Okay.
We write it in other way as well using cross.
Yeah. If you write like this, it means the cross join.
What it will be?
Sorry.
What it will be then? Join condition. What? How we have to write it?
So think it is like if you're using two tables and if you have not mentioned any joining condition, so by default SQL engine will understand that it is a cross join.
And now we have to write in cross join format. Then how it will be?
Okay. You want to write in that format, cross join. Okay.
Yeah.
Where is that?
So it's the first line will be same and from shop A, cross join manager B. Cross join manager B.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. And on conditions?
No on condition.
No on condition, no. In cross join, that is the thing. That is the main story.
Right.
You don't have any on condition. If you use on condition, that will become inner join.
Okay. So I never
Yeah.
implement this join ever.
Oh.
So I was not
Okay,
clear.
okay.
Okay. Got it. Mhm.
So the best example is like assigning seat number in your auditorium or cinema house. Okay.
Mhm.
Or if you want to like see that how many handshakes are there. Okay. Suppose your college group friends. Okay. Your college friends. Name is A, B, C. Okay.
Mhm.
And suppose your office friends. Name is like D, E, F. They both are coming on a party. So how many handshakes will be there?
9.
9.
A will do handshake with
Cross
D.
three. Yes.
A will
Yeah.
do handshake with E.
E.
A will do
Yeah.
handshake with F.
F.
Similarly, B will do handshake with D. B will do handshake with E. B will do a handshake with F. So this
Yeah,
is like a
like that.
cross join, right?
Yes.
This is like a cross join. And suppose if you are telling that, okay, ID of 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, okay? And here it is like 1, 2, 3, okay? And suppose the rule is like only with the same ID number, they will do the handshake. So what is this?
Inner join.
Inner join, because now you will do the handshake based on the ID. So you will do the
ID.
joining condition of ID. So this is
Correct.
an inner join.
Inner join.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now suppose this is the data. Now I will tell you that, okay, tell me the one who is left out, who has not done any handshake. So which join you will
4.
use?
Left out
Left
join.
join 4.
Left join. Very good. You will use college. Left join.
Office.
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 Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
Similarly, suppose you have 5E. Okay. If I will ask you that, okay, tell me one from office group who has not done any handshake. What you will use here?
College right join office.
Very good.
College
College.
right join office.
Right join.
Office.
Office.
Any other way to write this?
Office left join college.
Is this clear?
Yeah.
Now, any other way to write this?
Yes.
Office right join college.
Office.
Right join
join.
college.
Now, is it clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Perfect. So now you guys are champion in joins. Okay.
Yeah.
Hope you all have understood this.
Yes.
Okay. I have taken time to make you understand these joins because this is something, means most of the students, they're afraid of joins, left join, right join, cross join, inner join, and all those things. But I hope this is clear now.
Can you go back to sheet, Excel sheet?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Like here you have shown we have same column name ID, okay, but we don't have the values common, right, under the IDs. My question is, if we are not having the column name the same, suppose like in the shop table we have column name ID, and in the MGR table we are having the column like number instead of ID, then
Okay.
what? Yes, here
Number.
the
No,
the name. Yes.
I think your question is, I think the question what you're asking is that suppose here I have used student and marks, I'm joining this to, right? And I've joined based on the ID, right? So I think you're asking that instead of this, if the name is number, can I join this to based on this
Yes.
ID is equal to number? Is this your question?
All yeah, yeah. Also, the values are also different, like 567.
Oh, so that is not a problem. If values are different, that's not a problem. You can join. That's a different thing. Data will not be fetched if there is no matching data.
Hmm.
Okay.
So we were using the generic table, not third table, generic table, like we have shown
Uh,
on the.
no, no. This in this example, I have used the generic table, third table, static table, because I was supposed to join the student and marks, but in this two table, I don't have any matching data. Don't look at the column name. Column name is not important. Okay. Look at the data. You see here the data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but here the data is different. Correct? You cannot join this. That is why we have taken the help of a static table, because here we have
Yes,
this ID
that what
present. Hmm.
that
Sorry.
what my question is. My question is same. If the data is not matching in the
Correct,
two
correct,
table,
correct.
then we will
If
use the
the
third
data
table.
is not data is same, then you have to take the help of third table.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
We can continue.
Okay. Great.
Sir, can we join on the different data types column names?
No,
Different data type columns?
no. Data type must be same.
Okay, right. That is the yeah. Okay.
You can try that, but data type must be same.
Same.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh, okay. For the same question, okay. One new scenario is coming to my mind, so I thought of discussing with you. Same question, okay. Let's take it here. Student table and marks table. Fine.
Okay.
My voice is audible clearly.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
clear. Yeah.
Audible.
Fine. 1, 2, 3. Okay. See, and I'm using this query. Now tell me what will be the output?
No data.
No data. Why?
Yeah, no data.
There is no matching in both
No
the
matching records. No student.id does not equal to marks dot. You're writing b.id.
Is this
It
clear,
will
everyone?
Yes,
no
yes.
no
Because
no.
I
It will
because
throw
there
an
is
error.
no matching data. Here ID is 1, 2, 3. Here ID is 4, 5, 6. They both are entirely different.
Different.
So there will be no data from this query. All this
Yes.
is clear.
Yeah.
Sir, you write. Please write b dot number. Otherwise, it will throw an error. Here in marks table number is there, but you're writing ID.
Oh, okay. Yeah, correct.
Right. B dot number.
Correct. Good catch. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, so now I'm creating a new table, customers table. Okay, you can see, and this is the data. Fine. Okay, now this is the query. Select a star from customers. Mode of. I'm running this query. Okay, you will get some output, except Sandeep, who will tell me what is happening here. how this output is related to this query. Apply your common sense. Okay, tell me what is happening here. Who will tell me? Okay, Sandeep. Question goes to Sandeep now. Yeah, Sandeep. Any idea what is happening here? Guys, I'm audible?
Yeah.
Okay, see. No idea. Fine. Here you are getting the customer ID 246. Correct? Why you have not got customer ID 1, customer ID 3, customer ID
Maybe
5?
for even number.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Very good. See, I have mentioned here mod. Okay, so the function of mod is I have written customer ID comma 2 is equal to 0.
Okay.
It means if you are dividing customer ID by 2, what's the meaning? If you are dividing customer ID by 2, remainder should be equal to
0.
0. And this is the case of even number, right? If you will divide any even number, 4 divided by 2, how much you will get remainder? 0.
Yeah.
Correct? So
Yeah.
that is what the function of mod. It will give you a remainder. So I am telling you divide customer ID by 2, but remainder should be 0. And you know that happens only with the even numbers. Correct?
Correct, sir.
So that's the function of mod.
Mod.
Now if I will write is not equal to 0. So from this what I'm telling, that divide customer ID by 2, but remainder should not be equal to 0. So this is the case of which number?
1.
Odd.
Odd number, right?
Yeah.
If you will divide odd number by 2, you will get some remainder, right?
Yes.
Now you can see the output is odd number 135.
Correct.
So guys understood the concept of mod?
Understood, sir.
Everyone, Shivanshu?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So mod is just a remainder. It is telling that, okay, divide this by 2. Remainder is equal to 0. It is an even number. If it is not equal to 0, it is an odd number. It is not with 2 only. You can use with anyone. Suppose I am telling that 4. And I have written equal to 0. So what will be the output for this?
4.
Huh?
4.
So here what I am trying to tell is divide the customer ID by 4, but remainder should be equal to 0. So in this IDs, tell me which ID if you divide by 4, remainder will be 0.
3.
4. Only 4.
Only 4, right?
Yeah.
4.
4 you got?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now for this, what will be the output?
Except for all the records. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. What about this?
Customer, it is divided by 0. 0 means it will not
Then
equal
all
to
the records.
all the records.
All the records. Okay. What
Yeah.
else? Anyone else? Any
All the
other thought,
records.
guys?
0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Not equal to 0, right?
All the record it will show.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
All the records.
Okay.
Yes.
But here is a twist. In some platform, this might throw in an error message. Okay. Because it will give you that divide by 0 is not possible. Because like you cannot divide anything by 0. Correct?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So in that case, what we have to write then?
So divide by 0 is not possible. So you cannot divide by 0. Maybe in that case, if you want, you have to use NVL command or any other you
So
have to translate
again,
that.
we need the same kind of output. Then what is the alternative for that?
You need one minute. Yeah, you were telling something.
So I was just telling that we need alternative to write the same query to get the same output. We need some alternative. So what will be the?
What will be the, so you can use here 1, okay,
हाँ,
equal to 0,
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है सर.
okay.
We'll get all the records.
Okay, just a minute, guys. I'm going on mute for 1 minute. I'm getting one important call. Okay, 1 minute only.
Vedyanathan is not there today. Hi guys, how are you?
Hello. I'm audible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Perfect. So hope this is clear.
Yeah, clear.
What? Any question on this? Anyone?
No.
You guys are not asking question these days. What is happening? Shivanshu, no question.
No question. I will go through, I will practice, and then I will make a query for all the
Okay,
questions.
okay. Fine. No problem. Okay, then coming to this Ronam. So hope you understood that mod. Mod is simple, okay.
Yeah.
Then moving to this. I will take just 15 more minutes. At 11 o'clock, I will wrap up. Okay. Okay, leave this one. Just leave this query. Start from. Let's do this. Okay, this is the customer data. Now, please try to understand this row num concept. This is very important concept. Name. Customers. Okay, very focused. No, this is not taking it. Leave this. I will tell you this from another database. This is not behaving correctly. It's not behaving correctly. Alias, I've told, minus, I have to tell you. Okay, then any all minus is important. Okay, let's come to this minus. Yeah, this row number I will tell you from another platform. I think this is not giving the correct result yet. Person. Person ID.
So this row number is window function, right? Or this is another one?
Yeah, means
This one is different.
this is used mostly like in, you can use this in window function as well, but I don't consider this as a strictly window function.
Okay.
But it is used mostly in that. So what's the Sunday plan, Shivanshu?
Actually, my friend want the new phone of OnePlus and he will go with me because he don't have like access credit card. So I am having. So he
Okay,
will just pick
okay.
me up at
Yes.
11.
So audience in this group, they are hearing, okay, they will get in touch with you. They need access credit. Okay, Shivanshu, be ready.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
So what other topics are left in the SQL?
Yeah, many topics are left. Maybe we are going very slow, but not an issue. Don't worry. The main thing is you guys should
Yes,
understand.
Yeah.
yes,
If
exactly.
you
Yes.
guys are in a hurry, tell me. I will try to move fast.
No, 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 no.
Okay, it's fine. No,
Yeah, fine.
anyone who is in hurry that to finish the course early, you can tell me.
So can you tell me one
No,
thing like suppose after 6 months I'm looking for the change for the company if the company will ask me do you have some like hands-on in the SQL I will tell yes but if the company will ask me do you have the experience in database testing so like it is same like SQL database
You see,
testing.
database testing or ETL testing, it is like a process. Okay, you know, like SQL, Unix, Python. These are the weapons. Okay, these are the
Okay.
weapons. And
Hmm.
the ETL testing, database testing, this will tell you that where you have to use these weapons, in which test case you have to use these weapons, what all different layers are there in data migration project, what all things you have to test. Okay, so if you don't know that, how you can use this weapon, correct? So you should know the different, like if in your project the requirement is validate the SCD type 2, if you don't know what is
Hmm.
SCD type 2, how you can write a SQL query. So SQL is like a weapon, but ETL testing,
Hmm.
database testing, that will help you to understand the journey, that what all path is there. Like you're going from Delhi to
So you
Bangalore.
mean
Okay, and
So you
you
mean to say ETL testing and a database are same thing.
same thing, more or less same, but database testing is a subset of ETL testing. ETL testing starts from the file
Okay.
level validation till report testing, but database testing
Mhm.
will concentrate morely on the data, okay, or a particular layer.
Yes,
So ETL testing is a bigger world.
yes. So actually, like 4 months back, I was getting a call from the free charge company and the
Okay,
Dhani
okay, one
company,
minute, Shivanshu,
and the like
Shivanshu,
less.
Shivanshu. Just to highlight, we are on recording mode, okay? So take care of that.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Okay, we will connect with you, Shivanshu, later on. Okay, so I have created
Yes.
two tables,
Okay.
person and employee table. In person, I have one A, 2B, 3C data, and employee, I have one A data. Okay, now I am writing a query. Okay, and you guys, please, uh, and I will show you result as well. But concentrate, try to understand what this query is doing. Or tell me, first of all, shall I tell you about this? Because I'm going to teach you about minus concept. Will you apply your
Here you
will you apply your brain and you will tell me what this minus is doing, or shall I tell you beforehand?
uh, minus
Okay, I
create
will tell you
table
first.
person.
I will tell
Here you have created two table person and employee.
you. Hmm.
Person ID
See, in
name
person table, how many records I have?
three.
Three.
Three records, 1A, 2B, 3C. In employee table, how many records I have? Only
One part.
1A. Now, suppose if I'm asking you, tell me the records, tell me the records which is present in person table but not present in employee table. What will be the answer?
Minus query.
Uh,
2B and 3C. Yeah,
2B
yeah.
and
2B, 3C.
2B and 3C, right?
3C. Yeah, yeah,
2B
yeah.
and
Hmm.
3C, correct? So 2B
Yes.
and 3C are the two records which is present in person table but not present in employee table.
Minus.
Is this
Yeah.
clear?
Yes.
Clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now this I will run this query. You got the same output 2B and 3C?
Correct.
Yeah.
You understood the benefit of minus? Okay. So minus query will tell you that in this first query, tell me the records which is present in this table but not present in the second query table. Is it clear?
Yes.
Everyone, Akshay, Shivanshu, Imran.
Yes, I got it.
Okay. Now, if I will write this query,
Sir, without using minus, we can also use the left join because it will give the
yeah, you can use that also, but left join will not be useful in few scenarios. Okay, but I will tell you that. Okay, but first understand that what is this minus. Now, if I will use this query, if I run this query,
One.
No 1A, no data
no
found.
data found. Why?
Because 1A is already presented in the person table and employee table, both the tables.
Because in employee table, you
Right.
don't have any record which is present in employee but not present in person. Do you have any record which is present in employee, not present in person table? Hello, do you have any record?
No.
No record. That is what when you have run this query, it has given you no data found because there is no record which is present in employee but not present in person. That is why the output is no data found. Hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm twisting this little bit. This query, I think this query was clear, right?
Yes.
you have not told the above query row number.
Which query? Which query, Shivanshu?
He is
discuss
asking about row number.
Row number.
Is
We
it-
discuss later. Sir.
Row number I will discuss later because they are on this platform. The output what I'm getting, no, I'm little bit confused about that. Okay, so I will teach you maybe on some other platform because the behavior of this row number I am not convinced with here. Okay, so we'll discuss that in the
Okay.
next class. Fine.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm running this query. Okay, I'm running this query, and this is the output. So why this is giving me this error message?
Because
Expression must have same data type.
What's the
Yeah.
problem here?
yeah, name is varchar, your employee ID is number. So that's why first column wise data type must be same.
Okay, is it clear? See,
Yes.
whenever you are using minus, minus, you have used name as the first column here, right? After select, name is the first. But here, after minus query, you have used employee ID. So you are comparing name with employee ID. No, you cannot compare this. So they both are different data type, correct? Similarly, here is the
Yes.
person ID and here is the name, employee name. So they both are different data type, and that is why it is unable to compare. Are you getting?
Yeah.
So that is why you should always compare the same data type. Here person ID is compared with the employee ID, same data type number. Your name is varchar. Here again it is varchar. That is why if you have run this, there is no error message. Correct? Now when I'm
Yes.
no error message, but when I executed this one, I got error message. Why? Because we are comparing two different data types. So you have to take care of this. The sequence is very important when you are using minus query. Any question on this?
No.
No question?
No.
Anyone? I'm repeating. Anyone, please ask if you have any question.
So can you please
No.
repeat again? What
Sorry?
is the exact explanation?
Oh, okay, can you repeat? Sorry.
So the thing is, suppose someone asks, so what is the bookish theoretical explanation we can give here? There should be, there should not be the what.
See,
I am not getting the term.
Yeah, sure. I will repeat. Not an issue. When I executed this query, I got this as an output error message. What is the
Yes.
error message? Expression must have same data type. Correct?
Yeah.
That means data type must be same. Now here name is of varchar data type. If you can see here, I have used name with varchar data type. Correct?
Yes.
I am comparing this with employee ID.
Hmm.
Correct? Because this is the first in the sequence and this is again first in the sequence.
Hmm.
Employee ID is number data type. They both are different data type.
Huh.
So that is why this error message is coming, because using minus, you cannot compare two different data type. Okay. Here you are trying to compare name with data type varchar with employee ID whose data type is number. They both have different data type, and that is why this is throwing error message. Hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
I have one question.
Yeah, sure. Tell me.
Like here you have used minus.
Hmm.
Okay. Now in case we are using the join, then it will not matter now.
In joins again, if you are joining two columns, so they must be having same data type there as well. You cannot do joining with two different data types. Like I will show you this example. Where is that?
No, we can add column anywhere. And
Sequence you can write anywhere. That's not a problem.
yes, that's what I'm saying.
Sequence you cannot. You can write any sequence. That is not a matter. The sequence after select matters only in minus. Nowhere it matters. Only in minus.
Yes.
You have to take.
Can you go above where you have gone? Above
one?
where you have shown. Yes, please. Yes, here. So here, yes, in the a.id, yes. A.id, Neha. Yes, here if you will write instead of b.id, you will write b.name. Then it will not matter, na?
No, nothing will happen. You can change the sequence.
Okay, I got
That's
it.
not a problem. Okay, you can try this.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So where I was, what I was teaching you guys, I forgot. Minus. I was telling you minus. Fine. Now I'm inserting one more record here. Okay, I'm inserting one more record here. So now if I will show you in person table, I have how many records? 4 records, right? And 1A is duplicate here, correct?
Correct.
Is it visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
1A is duplicate. Okay. Now if I will execute this query, person ID name from person minus employee ID, employee name from employee. Okay. So what will be the output? What will be the output?
2B3C.
2C.
2, 3?
2B, 2.
2 and 3. 2B and 3C.
Yeah.
2B and
3C.
3C, I think so. Yeah.
3C.
C.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
But one thing. First of all, what is the meaning of this query? From this query, you are looking for a record which is present in person table but not present in employee table.
Employee table.
Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Now 2B and 3C are fine. 2B and 3C you told, because 2B is not present in employee table. That is correct. 3C is also not present in employee table. That is also correct.
Yeah.
But this 1A, you have 2 1A here. Please make a note of this point. You have
Yes.
2 1A. So the set of 1A is missing, no?
Yes.
So you should get 1A as well, right?
Okay. Can you? Okay.
First, try to understand. Is it clear? You have 2 1A records. Let me show you this again. You see, it is there. 1A. In employee table, you have only 1A. So you should get 1A, 2B, 3C. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah. Now I am running this
query.
Data.
Yeah.
And no, I'm running this query, and then you will see one twist will happen here. Okay. And you guys will get confused.
It will be the same. 2B, 3C.
2B and 3C is coming.
This,
Why it has not taken 1A? Why it has not taken 1A?
it will fetch distinct data.
I have not mentioned distinct. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it ignores the matching records. Matching records only displays the non-matching records.
1 minute. Someone told me that Tanvir, please write distinct here. Okay. I am writing distinct here. Okay. I think I will write distinct. Let's see the output now.
Again, same 2B, 3C.
Oh, again same. 2B and 3C. Distinct is not making any difference here. So what you concluded from here, guys? The conclusion is by default minus operator works on distinct record.
Yeah.
The conclusion is by default minus operator works on distinct record. I agree that I have this record in the table, but when the SQL engine will see that, okay, the user is asking minus, user is using which operator? Minus operator. So it will check for that columns that, okay, user is looking for person ID and name column. Then it will remove the duplicates first of all. Okay, that's the first task SQL engine will do. So now this is the final set of data you have. Okay, you are thinking that this is the data present in person table, but SQL engine is looking at this data. Correct? No, not understood. Not understood.
Understood, sir.
Understood?
Understood. By default, minus operator will perform distinct. Distinct.
Very good. Very good. Because by default, minus operator
Works on distinct record.
works on distinct. So the SQL engine will look at this minus. Oh, okay. User has mentioned minus. On which column? Person ID and name. Then immediately it will search for duplicate and it will remove the duplicate. First of all, the duplicates are removed. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Now this will be matched with this. So now 1A is present here. That is why this is not shown on the report and you are getting only 2B, 2B and 3C. Okay, that's why when I run this, you got 2B and 3C. Is this clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
So now, shall I write here distinct, or if I'm not writing distinct, will it make any sense?
It doesn't matter, sir.
No,
doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
So this is a very, very good interview question. I used to ask that which keyword holds distinct by default? Minus is the keyword which operates distinct by default. So even if you're writing distinct or if you're not writing, that doesn't matter. But in the interview, some of the interviewers will confuse you. They will give you this query and they will ask you that, okay, tell me the output. Don't tell that this will throw error message. This will not throw any error message, guys. I'm repeating. This will not throw any error message. But adding distinct is of no use. That doesn't make any sense because minus operator works on distinct by default.
Yeah, understand.
Very important core concept. Is this clear?
Yeah, clear.
Clear,
Hello?
sir.
Hello?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. Very good. Very good.
Today I've learned one new, this one.
Oh, okay. Okay, perfect. Now, I hope this is clear. I'm moving to the next concept of minus.
Okay, yeah, please go ahead.
I'm running this query. You see, just I have written order by person ID. Okay. And I'm running this query. Output is SQL command not properly ended. Why? What's the problem? Same query I have run here. It is showing this error message. Why?
Yeah, please explain, sir. Why?
Anyone
Order by, if I write why?
who can think and tell me why this error message is there?
Order by person ID.
Because you have to mention order by in other query also.
Okay. So Shivanshu is telling that Tanveer, you have added order by person ID because this is the only new thing which I have added in this previous query. Correct? No.
Yeah.
This query was working perfectly. I have just added this order by person ID and you got this error message. Is this clear?
Yes.
So this is the culprit, right?
Yes.
So Shivanshu is telling that Tanveer, you are doing biasing. You have not mentioned this order by person ID in the second query, and that is why this error is coming. Correct, Shivanshu? Shivanshu, you there?
Yes, I am there.
Okay.
But
So,
person ID is not there in employee table, right?
okay, okay. ठीक है.
Employee ID.
Now is it fine?
Employee. Yeah. Fine.
As per Shivanshu's suggestion, I am doing this. Okay, I am running this again.
Okay.
Look at the output. Same output.
Again,
Same output.
Let me try again. Let me try
No,
again.
hold on. 1 minute. Hold on. So you got the same output, same error message. Correct? No?
yeah. Yes.
I think this is not clear.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay. So,
If you write order by, it is not executing. It will throw an error. Why?
so what we understood is if you are writing order by in the minus operator, you will get error message. Whether you will write in one query, you write in both the query, you will get error message. Hope this is clear to everyone.
Yeah. Understand.
Okay, understood.
Yes.
But why, sir? Why?
No, I will come to that. I will come to that. Why question? I will come to that. 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay. I will explain that. Okay. 1 minute. No. Remove this. Remove this. Sorry. Remove this as well. I will explain that, Sandeep. I will explain it.
Okay.
Now, if I will run this, what will happen?
I think it will run.
Yes, it will run.
It will
Okay.
run.
Okay. Order by always write at the end of the SQL statement. Yeah.
Yes.
I got it.
Got the output?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, I understand.
Okay. What about this?
It will run, sir.
Yeah, it will run.
It will run. Invalid identifier. Why?
Means order by.
We are minus. We're doing minus from first.
Person ID is not there. That's why. Sir,
MPID
can you please
invalid.
scroll up? Want to see the table?
Now, let's try to understand
Yeah.
everything. The
In the
reason.
result set, only person ID name will fetching. In the result set, only first name.
Correct.
Yeah.
That is why, because in the output you are getting only person ID.
Yes. Person ID and name. Yeah.
You are having only person ID.
Yes.
But you are telling to SQL that sort it based on the employee ID, but employee ID is not present here. How it can sort based on the employee ID?
Yes.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah.
So what we understood now, conclude the things. First of all, you should not use order by in minus operator. The first thing,
Yes.
any query you should not use in this query, you should not use in this query.
Yes.
Correct? If you want, you can use it at the end.
At
You
the
will
end.
not get any error message. Is this clear?
Yes, clear.
Reasons we will discuss. Reasons, don't think about reasons as of now. We will discuss the reason. First of all, try to understand the points. First point, you should not use order by in the minus operator in any of the two queries. If you want that you sort the result, you have to use order by at the very last.
At the last, yes.
These points are clear or not? Because now I will proceed with the reasons.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Clear?
I have one question.
Yeah. Someone has question.
So order by emp ID can be written after from employee in the second.
Correct.
It's one and the same thing, right?
Correct. Good.
So it will throw an error.
No, if you're writing here, no, that's not a problem.
That's
Because see, don't think that you have written this order by for this statement. No.
It's end
This
of the
order by SQL is understanding that first of all I have to execute this, then after that I have to order by.
Right. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other question? Any other doubt, guys? Please ask me. Shivanshu, is it clear? Hello.
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now I will jump to the reasons. I need only 5 more minutes, guys. Okay. I will tell you the reason. Try to understand. Very concentrate on this. Okay. When I have used this, when I was running this query, I have shown you that you are getting error message, correct? And I told you the reason that in minus please don't use order by. That's the reason I told, correct? Now, but why?
Yes.
The question is why, right? That's the question is in your mind. Why? Why, Tanvir? Why you want to do me like this? Okay. So if you're executing this query with order by, this is the output, correct? Hello?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, fine. This is the output, right? Now from this second query, then let's try to understand why SQL is throwing error message. What is happening here? From second query, you got, this is an output.
Yeah.
This was person and employee, no? This was person and employee. Now, you are doing a minus here. We are using
Yes.
a minus.
Minus.
The problem is when you are sorting. So now you have sorted like this. Okay. And
Yes.
you're told that, okay, do a minus. So how it will start? It will do a minus of this with a minus of this one.
Yes.
Okay. Got
Yes.
it?
Yeah.
But when you have sorted, suppose if you have sorted this in descending order, so what will happen? Just a minute.
Person ID descending.
Suppose if you have sorted this in descending order. Take this example.
Okay.
Now, your SQL engine is trying to compare this with this.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And then it will think that, okay, this record is not present here. It is trying to compare this with this. This record is not present here.
Yes.
So it will give you this as an output.
Okay.
Okay. But maybe suppose this was present in the next record. This was present in the next record. So now if it will compare with this, the SQL will think that, okay, this is already present here. This will not give you any output. But if it is doing a comparison with this, then it is giving you this as an output.
Yes.
Because, this is the way SQL works. It takes one record from one table. It will compare with all the other records of other table. Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
So if you are giving the records to simple by sorting it out, then it will behave like this. And if you're getting this output and this 3C, suppose this is already present. So now if it is giving you this 3C output, to tell me this output is correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. SQL has done the operation in the correct manner. It has compared this with this record. But it saw that, okay, this is not present. It has given you this output. But this was present in the second record. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Okay. So that is why SQL engine is telling, and now you are complaining to SQL that you are giving incorrect record. So that is why SQL engine is telling that don't sort the data. Don't sort the data. If you're sorting the data, then I will compare like this only. So that is why whenever you're writing minus, it is suggested not to sort data. If you will sort data, SQL will work in that manner, as usual manner. It will give you incorrect result. So that is why it is suggested that in minus operator, don't sort the data. Just give this data. Minus will take care of sorting internally. Okay, minus will take care of sorting internally, and it will compare this with this, and which all the records, and then final result it will throw you based on all the comparison. Okay, but if you're sorting, this will give you this result which is incorrect, and that is why the SQL gets confused here, and it is suggested not to use order by. Is it clear or not?
Understand.
Understood.
Understood?
Yeah.
So the main
If it is sorted only, problem will come. Otherwise, it will.
Perfect.
It will compare all the records.
Because you have sorted. Now, based on the if you are sorting it, so based on that sorting manner, if the SQL will do the minus operation, it will give you the result, but that will be incorrect. So that is why it is suggested, please don't sort it. SQL will take care of that internally. Is that clear?
Yes.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, this was the concept related to minus. Okay.
I have one question.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Like, can we? That also means that we cannot. Oh, okay. Can we use like select person ID name aggregate function with the minus? Can we use?
Aggregate function.
Yes, with
Oh, you
minus.
can use. You can use, yeah, anything. Whether you write full left join, right join in this query. Okay, you see, minus works like this. I'll tell you. Query one.
No, I mean to say, can we also minus with the count function?
Ah,
Like suppose we have written select person ID,
yeah,
comma
yeah, yeah.
name, count this group by.
But that count must be present here as well. The number
Second
of
query
columns
as
should
well.
be
Yes,
same.
yes, yes.
If you're using 3 columns in
I,
the first query, same 3 columns should be present in the next query as well. If you're using two
yes,
column here, yeah, Yashwansh.
yes. I mean to ask, like, can we also use with the group by minus or not?
You can use, not an issue. That is why this is the main syntax of minus. Query one. In this query, whatever you want to do, you use left join, right join, cross join, aggregate function, group by, or whatever you want, you use. Okay. Similarly, in the second query, whatever you want, you use. Finally, it will do a minus. But this
No,
will fail. Yeah.
like you said, na order by is not used with the minus. So I mean to ask, can we use group by with the minus?
Oh, group by you can use.
Yeah.
You see, group by, that's not a problem. In
Okay,
order by, I told you know why the SQL will get confused, and that is why it is
okay,
suggested not to use order by. In group by, that's not
okay.
a
Got your
problem. You
question.
can use it. You can try at home. Okay. Okay. Any other question?
Sir, I have a question, but that is not related to this syllabus. Can I ask or
You
can
can
you
call me.
explain this time or?
If you think that everyone will get benefited, you can ask now. But if it's something
You can
like
ask
personal,
I
question.
think someone they will not. I hope they will not understand that. Will
you
ask
can
it in
call me.
between.
We can connect separately.
Okay.
We will
Okay.
understand.
Okay.
Ask.
No issues. We can
Okay.
connect separately, Sandeep. Okay. And if I think
Okay.
if that is for everyone, we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Already we are late today. I hope you guys have understood this concept: left join,
Yeah,
right join, full
yeah. Thank
join,
you, sir.
cross join, minus, mod. Okay.
So
Uh,
what will be the further agenda? Like how we'll take it ahead?
sorry. I'm not. Sorry.
After this minus concept, how we'll take it ahead? What concepts are left?
Oh, okay. What topics are left out? No,
Yeah.
many topics are left out here. Like this. See, this is
Can
the.
you share the assignment as well?
Yeah. I will share. I will share. Yeah.
Okay.
But this will not take much time, Akshay. I need one more week. Next week, I think we will conclude. Okay, I will try to conclude. So
Acha.
these are simple concepts. Okay, this will not take much time. Okay,
Mhm. Got it.
I need one more week. I know we are delayed. I have promised for 3 weeks. I think, yeah, which is more than that.
But the good part was that you cleared everything. Like you are
Okay.
never taught in a fast-paced manner that I have to complete the syllabus. So we said the understand what you say. जो समझने का प्रोसेस होता है वो उसमें कुछ डिस्टरबेंस नहीं हुआ.
Okay,
We
perfect.
got everything.
वही होना चाहिए. That is the main thing.
Yeah.
Understand.
Yes.
But it is fine. ठीक है. So thank you guys. Thank you for your precious time. But please work on the SQL queries, at least 5 queries daily. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
So sir, one more thing. So today you will sharing the assignments as well.
I will share the assignments today. I'm working on some hackathon questions. Okay. So I will share the assignments today.
The hackathon is today at 7:15, right?
7:15 it will start. It will start at 7:30, but you guys have to join at 7:15 because for the next 15 minutes I will tell you about the rules and regulations. So, okay. But I will request everyone to attain. At least you will get a competitive environment. So hopefully that will help. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Final call. Any question? Anyone? Okay. No questions. Fine. Thank you. We'll connect next week. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.